I'm Jennifer. Welcome to the Sweets and Treats Open Collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Sandy Land's Home and Garden, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, May's Design Corner, Dream with Caroline, and Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out all of these great channels listed below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Today, I'm going to be preparing some peanut butter cookies. I am so excited to make this recipe. I'm going to put this together with only 4 ingredients. Here I have 1 egg, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I'll get this all mixed up and then we'll form our cookies. Now that I have everything mixed together, I put it in a bowl so it's super easy to scoop out with this scoop. I have a couple of little bowls here and I'm going to pour in some colored sugar. I have a tray here lined with parchment paper, and I'll just set this off to the side so I can put my cookies on it after I roll them in the sugar. I'm going to take a scoop and I'm going to drop it right in the sugar. I'll roll it around with a fork and then I'll just shake off the extra sugar. It's completely coated in this pretty red sugar. Now I'll just take my fork and I'll press it down lightly in each direction. So we'll make the traditional little design on top of the cookie. I have some family members and friends that really love peanut butter cookie. Even though it's the holiday season, they still prefer their favorite peanut butter cookies over anything else. So this is a way I can make these beautiful little cookies and make them extra special and extra festive for the Christmas season. This peanut butter cookie recipe came from Dave and Jenny Mars on the TV show Fixer to Fabulous. I love watching that show. That show takes place in Arkansas, and I used to live in Arkansas for 7 years. I loved living there. It was absolutely beautiful, and I loved working in Arkansas as well. This recipe is their family recipe, and it's the one they make every time they make peanut butter cookies, which is pretty often. I happen to know that they make this recipe every single year, and they also make homemade hot chocolate to go with it. The green ones look really pretty as well. And of course, you could use just regular sugar. You don't have to use the colored sugar. The Mars family just does the regular sugar, but I like to add a little bit of color to mine to make it look a little extra special for Christmas with the red and green. Now it's time to get these off to the preheated oven. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. I'll put these cookies in for about 10 minutes and then I'll leave them to cool on the tray. If you'd rather not use a fork to put the hash marks in the top, you could always use a greased bottom of a drinking glass. The cookies just came out of the oven and they smell terrific. I'll leave them to cool on the tray. I was so happy to participate in this Christmas Sweets and Treats collaboration. Be sure to check out the other channels listed below and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Merry Christmas!